AnimaTensor online training is live. Follow the tutorial step by step to get your own model. First, enter the model training interface, then upload your dataset. About 50 images work best for the dataset here. I'll upload fewer as a demonstration. Once uploaded, the system will automatically tag the data, but you need to check, delete, and modify the tags. The more accurate the tags, the higher the quality of your model. After adjusting, use batch tag addition to insert your desired trigger words at the beginning of each line. Regarding cropping, you can do it or not. The final results won't differ much. On TensorArt, you can also increase the repetition count of specific images to enhance the model's recognition of them. Next, select the base model. This time I'll choose AnimaTensor. Besides LoRa, you can also train Locker or Dora, it's up to you. Finally, fill in the trigger words and model effect preview prompt, then start training. Once complete, regenerate preview images to test the model's effect and publish the best one. The basic mode satisfies most model training needs, but if you want to use professional mode, I can provide a parameter tutorial for it. Feel free to screenshot and save this next time I'll detail the meanings of professional mode parameters. Or would you prefer a video tutorial on model training? Follow me for the latest updates.